Hey guys, this is Tracy, and I just wanted to share my data protocol. So I have made an improvement plan based off of the 5 essential questions for starting school improvement right by Victoria L. Bernhardt. And I felt like this was the one of the most just impactful articles that I read. It really made just it's what we should be doing easy and kind of to reflect on what we're doing and how we can improve and have that continuous improvement among our students. And so you can see this is for my school, possibly maybe for next year. And so our theme or our motto of our school is building a foundation upon which all students can develop essential academic and life skills. So I kind of designed it just as building blocks. So you start at the bottom right here, and step one, where are we right now? So as a team, we would reflect on these 4 questions, and then we would look at everything that's below them. So who are we? We'd look at our demographics. How do we do business? We'd look at our perceptions. How are our students performing in our school? In all of the grade levels, we would look at all of our assessments and analyze those, and just asking the question, how effective are we? And then step 2, where do you want to be? We would discuss these 2 questions and look at our purpose and our mission and just align our vision and our goals and our student expectations. Then step 3, how do we get to where we are? How did we get to where we are? So we would look at where our gaps are in our students and really analyze and discuss and reflect what caused those gaps. So looking at our objectives and just the analysis of the causes. Step 4 says, how will we get to where we want to be? So we would discuss, of course, look at our action plan, and then what are we going to implement? So leadership, professional learning definitely would have to happen in partnership. And then the last part of it, how are we going to evaluate our efforts? And this is step 5. Oh, and I spelled difference wrong. So is what we are doing making a difference? And again, you would just start from the bottom and then work our way up. And I think this is just a good place to start. I do want to make another graphic, another data protocol for kind of our team meetings and just having those conversations. And yeah, so this is one thing that really was impactful for me as a student and as a professional teacher.